Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf. It's time for a Tag Tuesday. This one's a Christmas tag. Alright, so Tracey over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl is finally starting to feel better, so I'm glad for that, first of all. And second of all, she did a tag. She always does these tags. It's so much fun. This one is a Christmas tag, and I'm jumping the gun. I have not been tagged yet. Oops. But I know if Sandy gets tagged first, she's going to tag me. And if she hasn't and somebody else tags me, I will mention that. And I will be tagging Sandy. Mainly, my life is hectic right now. My schedule is wonky. That is something that I'm actually doing a whole other video on because I realize that is creating some complications with my motivation, my dedication, and all of that jazz. And I realize that I need to structure my life. So that's another video. This is a tag video. So first of all, if she doesn't tag me, I am tagging Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy. And I am also tagging some other channels that I feel need some recognition. And so check them out when they get to around the tag. But if not, just check them out in general. Go like, subscribe. First of all, my friend Amy. This is related to something that she has done, is related to what I realize is going on in my life. She actually stopped her weight loss channel. Well, not really stopped. It still exists. She's going to update it periodically, but she's not focusing on that for YouTube because she realized that because of that, it is creating some pressure on herself that she's created. Nobody else is. She's not blaming anybody, but that self-pressure is leading to some complications. So she started a new channel. Technically, it's a channel she had from years ago that mainly had family stuff on it, but she's just going to do some fun stuff on there. It's not going to be focused on weight loss. I don't know if she'll randomly throw something in, like, if she's cooking and mention that it's, maybe healthy or something. But she's just going to be doing some fun stuff, some more entertaining stuff. So I feel like you guys might like that. So check her out. That one is simply the TMI Queen. So instead, it used to be the TMI Queen Gets Fit. Now check out the TMI Queen. It's a different channel, so I will link it down below, as well as everybody. So check out that channel. And I don't know how much she has up yet. I haven't been able to watch a whole lot on there yet. Again, life, hectic. I'm going to be organizing myself soon. So check that out. And then I am also checking Mary Gets Fit. She actually did a Christmas tag not that long ago, but this one has different questions. So check her out. And then two people that I feel like I might have tagged Adventures of Deanna before, but I'm not 100% sure. So it might be new. Either way, link below. And then Starshine Fashion is also a newer channel that I feel like everybody should check out. So tagging those people, links will be in the description box. Let's get into the questions. So the first one is, would you rather have to put up outdoor Christmas lights for all of your neighbors or wrap all the holiday presents for extended family members? I don't know all of my extended family. I don't do a lot with them. I'm going to say extended family, meaning outside of parents and sibling, and maybe not all the way out to the people that I don't know or haven't interacted with in years. So if we're saying say my stepmom's sisters and brother and my sister's in-laws, I would wrap their presents. I've never really done outside lights, so y'all really don't want me doing that to everybody in the neighborhood. I love Christmas lights. I love lights in general, so it could be fun. I love doing that at the shop. And seriously, before this season is over, I'm going to take pictures and post what I did at the salon. All right, number 2. Would you rather have to eat a whole turkey in one sitting or never be able to eat turkey again? That one is a toughie. I don't eat a ton of turkey. For a while there, I was really on like a ground turkey kick, but to say I could never have it again would be extreme. So I guess I would do the eat a whole turkey thing. Old school Fat Robert would love that. Me, I'd be very depressed because I don't think there's any getting out of gaining weight that week. But whatever, that's the one I chose. Number 3. Would you rather get the best gift you ever received again or get a new gift, but have no idea whether it'll be good or bad? My memory is such crap that I don't know what would classify as the best gift I ever received. So I almost want to say that just to get it again, whatever it was, because whatever my brain would have classified as the best gift, I would enjoy again. I don't have a lot of the stuff that I used to have. So yeah, I guess that. Number 4. Right? I'm on 4, yeah. Number 4, I'm going to mark on this paper where I'm at. I printed this straight off of YouTube, so it prints it super tiny. Number 4, would you rather give up one family tradition or start a new one? I don't have any actual family tradition, so I would love to start a new one. I would love if my parents and sister and everybody could have a set tradition that we do every year. That is something I actually want to plan for next year. As you guys know, my Christmas this year is going to be Zoom on Christmas Eve. So I would love to actually have a tradition of some sort. I don't even know what are traditions, really. I always associated them with going to annoying relatives and being around people that I never knew besides at Christmas. So it would be fun to come up with something that I could actually enjoy. Number 5, would you rather relive a past winter holiday again or get to travel to a future winter holiday? I saw this question coming and I was trying not to get emotional. Just thinking about it is making me emotional though. I would love to relive a past one with my mom. That would be amazing. I would love that so much. Yeah, I'm going to move on. Next question. Would you rather spend the holidays with your family or 3 celebrities? And you can choose the celebrities. Any normal year, I would say celebrities. Give me some Doctor Who cast people. Give me Felicia Day. Anything like that. But 2 things. One, with this year being COVID and me actually not getting to spend it with my family, I really want that. When things get better, I want to spend more time with them. I miss them. And then 2, the celebrity thing, like, they have families and people they'd want to spend it with. And it'd be weird for me to just be like, I'm here, or you can't do it with them because you're doing it with me. So, yeah, I would say family, which is weird. Growing up, I've never had a huge want for family. Like I said, my extended family, I don't talk to them. They weren't always great people. So to want that now, it's kind of weird for me. I don't know. Maybe that one question got me a little sappy. Next question. Would you rather wear a Santa outfit or an elf outfit to work every day for a month? I would probably say elf. Mainly because I'm thinking of how hot I get. Elves, the material is typically a little bit thinner. I would prefer to wear the elf costume when I reach goal and I'm, in better shape. Right now I feel like I could easily just match Santa, put on the beard, boom, I'm there. But the beard, this hat, like, even for this video, my head's getting hot. I wear this thing sometimes to work, but it's more back like this, and I take it off by the end of the day. But that, and then his robe and stuff is it just looks hot versus elf stuff's a little bit more comfortable. Plus, like Tracey said, I love elf ears. I love them a lot. I love when I can do a costume where I get to put them on. Speaking of, and I know this is coming up because it happened in her video, would you rather have your ears turn into elf ears or have a Santa beard forever? I would love elf ears. If you guys know me, you guys know I love anime and fantasy stuff a lot, and sci-fi. And so I really wish that we could live in a world where people had, elf ears, had multicolored hair naturally without having to do all the coloring that I do. I love that kind of thing. I would love if that could be a thing. And beards, like I have this beard, but the long beards, first of all, kind of gross me out a little bit. And two, again, they just seem like they'd be hot. Like hair hanging, covering my whole neck. Like, I mean, yeah, you wouldn't be able to see all that hanging, but be uncomfortable. Number 9. Would you rather eat only Christmas cookies or only drink hot cocoa? I don't know if this has a time limit. I'm guessing if that's the only thing you're eating, I guess it's forever. I would say only drink hot cocoa because I am trying to lose weight, and only eating cookies sounds like it would be very fattening. Versus I can make hot cocoa with water instead of milk and make it a little less. So I guess that. Number 10, last question. Would you rather have holiday decorations up all year or never be able to put them up again? I would love to have them up all year. I have always thought and wanted to be able to just why can't we? Why can't we have Christmas lights and stuff? I know it says holiday decorations. So that doesn't technically mean it has to be Christmas. So I would love, let's have a tree, decorated for Christmas, decorated for Thanksgiving, decorated for Valentine's Day, decorated for Halloween. Always have a theme for the tree, and then other holiday decorations everywhere. I would love to always have decorations up, especially lights. I just find them very, very pretty. I would love to leave them up all year round. I don't really understand why it has to be just for the holidays. Why can't things be pretty all the time? Just my thought. But anyway, that is all of the questions. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if she hasn't tagged me, I am tagging Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy. And I am tagging Mary Gets Fit, the TMI Queen, Starshine Fashion, and Adventures of Deanna. All of them will be linked down below, as well as the questions. Feel free to answer the questions in the comments, or if you are a YouTuber and you want to do the tag, consider yourself tagged, do the video, let me know, and I will make a special video just announcing who has done it. So that's all I got for this. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, do the questions, and I will talk to you all later.